morning, everyone. It is I can't even think. It's Saturday. It's Saturday morning. It's super early. It's 6:30 a.m. and it's okay because I'm gonna get coffee soon. No, I need coffee. I need coffee to function, so I will be getting coffee soon. But yeah, we're gonna go hiking with some friends up in we're gonna go hiking went up to Crockett Garden Falls up nearby Austin. I have not been there before, and I'm curious to see if that hike will be difficult, easy, medium. I'm dressed up for the occasion. I have my boots, so I will be hiking those hills. I'm also on my period, so but it's okay because young hoes never back down. That's right. But I will see you guys there. Bye. Yo, you got it, you got it, you got it. Yay!
I think it's a pencil holder. You already put your foot down? You got it, babe. It's like rock climbing, babe. Just send it. There you go.
I look super crazy right now, but it's March 1st. Happy March 1st. I'm doing some spring cleaning around my room. I stumbled upon something and I realized that it was Laura Jean memory box. And I say Laura Jean because if you've seen To All the Boys I Loved before, she has a box full of letters, and it's my letter box that I found in my room. And I made this like 2 years ago, or was it last year? Last February. Yeah, it was last February that I wrote letters to myself. So maybe I should sit here with you guys and read it. I haven't opened them, and it's time to open them since it's already March. Yeah, let's see what I wrote to myself. We're gonna open this first one. To Leslie. Oh, it's so pretty. I even put like stamps on it. I wrote a cute little I remember writing on this actually. So, oh my god, let's read it. So it says, I forgot what I wrote. You have bewitched me body and soul, and I love you. You are love, you are love, you carry love, give love, and you give love. I think I was drunk or tipsy while I was writing this, but I repeated myself. Like, you give love, and you give love, and you receive love. I guess I wrote some reminders to myself. I wrote like a whole checklist of things. Speak lovingly, feel good eternally, accept gratitude, embrace reasons to smile and feel joy, treat yourself with kindness, remember you are human, be mindful, treat others how you always want to be treated. Okay, I ate with that. It's still true to this day. I firm believer in all this, and I can say that I still practice these till today. So I really love that one. Thank you, past Leslie. Thank you. All right, next one. This one is, ooh, she's a letter. I wrote so much. Oh my god. Dear Leslie, that's me. How are you? I hope you are doing well, if not phenomenal. You are the one thought in my mind and the main inspiration of my own existence. You are the sun, yes, the warmth, the light. You are kind, confident, forgiving, open-minded, giving, intelligent, beautiful, smart, quick-witted, problem solver, and many more beautiful things. Oh my god. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Affirmations. I hope you have the love you always dreamed of, and I'm sure you do. Anything you put your mind to is possible, because your ideas are so creative, so unique, everyone is dying to know more about them. You hold the power to change and inspire people with your energy and words. Such a privilege to be your authentic self and to bring your dreams to life. Oh my god, I wrote that? That's... Everything you always imagined and beyond will come true. Guys, why am I getting emotional? This letter bring you comfort and solace. Love you, me. Aww. Wow, I wrote such like a beautiful letter to myself. But I wrote such an intricate letter, and I don't remember writing all this. And I guess that's good. That way I can read it as if I'm reading it for the first time. Honestly, love that. I love these letters. And maybe I'll read them again next year. Love it. Yeah,
Like
but that's
your
new.
dude, like here.